Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I did some TEMU nail haul and I'll be showing you guys what I got, and it's specifically for gel X nails, although some of the things in there are for normal polygel or acrylic, but majority of the things that I got was because of gel X. So let's get right into it. Majority of the things that I got, I haven't yet opened them, so this is my first impression and I will be leaving the prices down so you are going to see how cheap and affordable these are. So this is a full gel X nail tip. I think it's really firm. Like, I really thought it was going to be flimsy, but it is not flimsy at all. It's really strong. So these brushes, it is let me open it so that you can. So this was also pretty cheap, affordable, I think. So these are liner brushes. Wow, I like it a lot. So it's in extra long to medium to short and to very short, and these are some button tools, and this is a silicone press for making solid gel flower design or anything. And these are the dotting tools which I'll be making good use of. I would really be using these a lot. Okay, so now this is a 8 ml. This is a top coat. This is a blooming gel. This is a matte top coat. I'll really be using this, and all these are 8 ml. And finally, this is a base coat. Okay, so I got these 8 ml nail polishes, and so I'll be trying it out with you guys. These are the 8 colors and I'll be showing you. I don't think they match with the color on the nail polish, because this looks somehow like a light purple, but when you open it, oh, I like it. It looks really good. Oh my god, this actually does match it actually. But then let's take a color like this for instance, right? When you open this looks like a dark red, right? Oh my gosh guys, this is such a pure red, so beautiful. The pigment is insane for the price, and I'm going to show you the price soon. So this is a purple. That is what it looks like. This is like a real purple, but let me show you what's inside. This is a pink. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but you can tell that they don't match. I like the pigments very much. What I bought were pink shades. I didn't buy purple shades, so even when I saw the purple colors, I was like, but I don't remember ordering these, but I like purple, so I was ready for it. But then I realized that after opening it, they actually look pink. This is white, very milky, very beautiful. I like it a lot. I'll show you the price, and this as well. I like this. This is really beautiful. I like all the colors, not gonna lie. I should next time get a bigger version because I really like them. Now we have this. This is also very beautiful. And we have these two. This looks like a brown, right? Let me open this to show you. Oh, actually, I think I am being deceived because this looks a bit like a brown, and I like it because it will match my skin tone perfectly well. And finally, this is black. Like, you can't even differentiate it from the book, the nail polish container. But then, yeah, moving on to the next. I got these two. They go together. This is a handheld nail lamp. As you can see, it says handheld nail lamp, and this is the stand for the handheld nail lamp. This is very crucial and this is very important if you are doing gel X. It is a bit tiny because from what I saw it was a bit longer than this, but now that I'm seeing it in person, this looks very short, but it's still going to do the job. So I'm going to insert this in. This is how it's going to look like. Yeah, very adjustable. And yeah, moving on to the next. So I got acetone, 100% acetone, because I know how important acetone is for nails, and I knew I had to get mine. So yes, this is it. This is 100% pure acetone, and these are what it does: removes nail polish, gel polish, artificial nails, glitter polish, nail glue. So yeah, I got this, and this is drill bits for my nails. I have a nail drill and I wanted these. I also wanted a metal one because the nail drill that I bought came with the white one, and I don't know, but I don't like it, so I got the metal ones and some sanding band because I really need them. So I got this, and I think by now everybody knows what this does. And if you are new to this, this is for making an ombre nail effect. So you take this, so it works like this. You push it up. So to pick this up, I will do this, and now I have this to make your nail ombre effect. So I got this alcohol wipes as well. These are alcohol pad wipes to wipe down the nail from, when you use polygel, you need to wipe off the tacky layer, and if there's any spillage or anything, you're going to need to wipe it off with either the acetone or the alcohol. This is the most tiniest cuticle softener there is, but I got this, and if it's really good, I'm going to buy a bigger size of this. I got these solid gel, and oh my gosh, how do I open this? So the solid gel actually works. I opened it to check it out, and it does work. Yeah. So I got these. This is rhinestone glue. Okay, so I got these two chrome powders, gold and silver. I would really be using this a lot, and a rhinestone glue. So let's see. This is the rhinestone glue. It's really big, and I think would do really good. Honestly, I think it's really good. Like, it's big, like it's not tiny at all, and I did get this as well. This was very affordable as well, I won't lie. And I got these three came together. Actually, I didn't buy them separately, so I am very glad that it comes with its own brushes, like differently, so that you don't end up mixing them. So yeah, I got this mini cuticle pen, and not gonna lie, I wanted a 6 piece, and I don't know why I forgot to get a 6 piece and I only got a single one. So I'll be ordering more because I really like it and I like the mechanics of it. And this is lavender. It smells really refreshing. I like purple. So now we are going to move on to the nail charms and nail stickers, because I am done with the the boring aspect. So all these are very important and useful for making jogs. And then majority of these things actually is general. You need it for either polygel, either for acrylic or gel X. So yeah, let's move into the nail stickers. So I got these. I was going to show you guys the stickers, but then I just remembered that I didn't show you this builder gel. I got a builder gel. Can you focus? Okay, thank you for focusing. So I got this builder gel, and yeah, it is for the soft gel tips. So let's just move to the fun part. So I got these nail stickers, and I think, oh my gosh, how do I even open this? This is so beautiful, guys. Like, do you see that? Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Okay, so my sister got these 3 nail stickers. I don't know why she got so many butterflies. But I am really grateful. I would definitely be using this because this is neutral and it has a lot of natural sticker. So this is blue, all blue, and this is all the types of butterflies there is. And I think, okay, I thought that was the final, but that is not the final. So this, I don't know how I would execute or use this, but my sister got me this as well. And I'll think of something. This is the final nail stickers. It's also butterfly, but it's whimsical, and I like the colors a lot. I'll be using them a lot. I like it. I really like it. So now heading to the charms. I got these charms in, okay, there are tiny strawberries, pink, light pink strawberry, red strawberries, some stars, some love hearts. I want to get some out. I got these as well. I got them for the caviar beads. It has both gold and white caviar beads. And then the flowers, I got them for these two, the white and the pink. But there are lots of different colors that I don't mind trying out. Like, these are very beautiful and I like them a lot. Okay, I forgot to show you guys this, but I got this nail palette. It's very tiny. Oh my gosh, this is it. It's really cute and adorable, but it's very tiny, but I like it, so I got it. Next, I got these strawberry nail charms. They're so different from what it looks like, although it looks like the colors was a little bit brighter, but it's super dull now. Okay, this is it. Well, it's still cute and I like it. Finally, I got these cute, very adorable Sanrio nails, and I love them so much. So cute. All the characters in here. This is my Melody. There's Kuromi. This is Pom Pom Pring. Very cute. Like, look at that. Look at how cute Kuromi looks. This is Cinnamon Roll, and like it has all the characters, and there's more in here. There's Hello Kitty even in here. I love it. So these are all the stuff that I got, and if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next video where I try out these TEMU products. But overall, for the price and everything, I would say this was a steal. I really liked it, and I would really use all of this. I'm going to use all of this. I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed my purchase, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye.